Okay, this is our silver Tinman. It's about 38 inches tall, totally carved out of wood. The head's carved out of wood, the hands are carved out of wood. It's about 38 inches tall. Clothes are handmade, hand sewn. We've added a smoke effect to him. You can see. So everything's works good on him. It's got a ring for a lever. Mouth open and closes properly. We have a piece of material in the back. This hides the where the back of the head is connected. So if you have to get into the back, you just pop some staples out and unscrew the back and get inside if you ever have to make repairs. See, the hands are made out of wood. On the back here, with the clothes, we have it cut out so you can get your hand in here. Go up on here, you can see we got our powder connected here, and we got our air supply connected here. The tube goes from the air supply to the bottom of the powder tube, and then the air pushes the powder up through the back of the head out the snout. And there's a hose that goes up all the way through to the top of this. So he is finished. I'm ready for a new home. If you're interested in this one, contact me on my Facebook page and we can go from there. Thanks for watching.